What the fuck? Damn. That nigga wind down the windows and look at me too. Stop, right? Make up your mind, dog. Let me go beside him. What do you think of that shit?
Bro, that shit too damn fast.
He said that shit too damn fast.
I ain't even gonna lie, but now I'm about to go right there and fuck him up.
Huh?
I'm about to go right there and do donut.
Where? Right here?
Yeah, over there by the four-way.
Alright, bet. Okay, catch that shit. Okay, catch that shit. Okay. Saw that shit. Hey, yo. That boy went crazy. That boy went crazy. Yo, if you enjoyed the POV, which wasn't planned, I just saw Random M4, I mean, not for Random 4 series. And I was like, you know what? Put the camera on my head. That boy went crazy. That boy went wild. That boy did go crazy. Yo, that boy said fuck up them tires. Is that him? I doubt it. But I can't fuck up these tires though. Just came from the tire shop and we got a lot of racing going down tonight. That's why I didn't enjoy them. If you ever see that where it says manual temporarily unavailable, either you're shifting too much or the transmission's getting hot, so it's like a safety feature. Let me check the temp because outside is hot as fuck. Check the temperature real quick on it. Oh, you need to go to Elda, change the oil today. It's not hot. No, they're shifting too much. Other day a cop hit a car right there and killed the person. I wonder if anything came out of it. I don't know. Let's go, gotta go over it. I know why that person in the Benz thought I wouldn't get to go over. It's a fucking Hellcat, bro. What the fuck? Saying a friggin' whatever you think it is. You can't block me in. What the fuck? This a Hellcat, bitch. Chill out. You got enough power to get over if I wanted to. I don't get it. People always like, oh, I'm not gonna make this car go in front of me. If I want to, I will. Without causing an accident either. I'm just kick it out one time for you guys and then we end this video, okay? I'm gonna go pull up and buy some food. Kick it out. Let's see something, Mustang. That's your rip. Let's see something. Alright. It's an EcoBoost, you know what I'm saying? That might be, you know. Transmission temp 190. Oil temp 249. Always check your temperatures. Coolant temp. Tire pressure are a little bit too high. I mean, it's hot as hell outside. Temperatures don't look too bad though. I don't even get it. Oh, intake air temperature is hot as fuck. The car is about to start pulling timing. Anytime you see that shit get so hot, you realize the car has way less power. It's just about to start pulling timing. So I'm gonna just go, you know, kick it out one time and then we end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, slash a thumbs up. It wasn't planned at all, but you know, we did it. Come on, light herb and change. Got things to do today. Gotta bring out my queen. Alright, let me just kick it out real quick. Okay, these tires are ready. Can go. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, slap the thumbs up. It's over with right here right now. Bye.